Okay, I've tried this a couple of times. Let's see if this works. So we're at the home page of the Canvas for this class. So what we're trying to do is set up an ePortfolio first, and then we're going to link that portfolio to our profile. So the first thing we want to do is go up to Account, Your Account, and if you go down you can see ePortfolios. So I clicked on my account at the top, dropped down to ePortfolios, and that brings up the ePortfolios. Imagine that. So I have a couple of things in here already. This is the default portfolio that you can edit. This is one I made. So if I go to my stuff, it takes you to this page. Now this may be, as a developer, let's call myself a developer, this would be your page. If you clicked on my portfolio page, it may look like something different. But anyway, I've created these items. Here's my watercolor work. Now, these pictures are huge. I actually made these smaller, but they still came in huge. So I looked a little bit further, or a bit further, and figured out how to make these actually the correct size. So now I'm going to go back. Here I am. So I'm going to go back to ePortfolios, and now I'm going to create a new portfolio. So there's my new portfolio. Let's just go up here, create a new portfolio, and the new portfolio I'm going to call my artwork. Okay, I'm going to make it public and then make ePortfolio. So I'm in here, and it says that I created it successfully, and I'm going to go to the page. Okay, this is the welcome page for that. Now I want to edit this, so I'm going to edit, and here's welcome, and I'm just going to call this charcoal. Okay, and here I can just wipe this out and type anything I want. Okay, so then I'm going to save page. Okay, so now I can edit this page. I've created it, I've named it, here's what it is. I can go back to here. Now I can go over here, and I'm going to image file upload. So now it's asking me to find a file. So I'm going to choose a file, and here's one that I sized down appropriately, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to open that up. It's right here, self-portrait charcoal. Select and upload the file, and there it is. So there's my self-portrait from about 5 or 6 years ago, I think. So now I scroll down and save page, and here it is. So if I go back to my artwork, click on charcoal, there's my image. So how did I get that image the right size? So I go into my folders. Do I have another chart? Let's just do this one. So I'm going to make this the right size. So I'm going to open, I'm right clicking, and I'm going to open that with Adobe Photoshop. Now, I believe as a student you have access to Adobe Photoshop. I'm not sure how that works. I do know that as a student, with your student email address, you can purchase Adobe, what's it called? Adobe, I can't remember. Anyway, it gives you access to several different things. Photoshop, Illustrator, and it's like $30 a month. But I think you might try and look and see if the school gives it to you. Anyway, here's a picture, so I'm going to go up to image size, and I'm going to check. Okay, so it's 1,575 pixels wide. That's way too big. The resolution is 300. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 80. Now it's 420. So if anybody knows what pixels are the little tiny dots that make up images, and your screen is essentially a certain number of pixels wide by a certain number of pixels high. So what you want to do is you want to make your picture something relative to a screen, right? The size of this is relative to the size of this. Okay, so usually it's 75, somewhere around there is a good size. So I'm just going to make mine 80, say OK. See how small it got? It's so much smaller. Alright, File, Save, and I'm going to close this out. Okay, so let's add another picture, but first I'm going to add another page because that drawing is not charcoal. That's pen and ink. So I'm going to go back to Organize, Manage Pages. Okay, so I think you can do that from anywhere. Let's go back. My artwork. So if I go to eportfolios, here's my artwork, and I'm going to go to Organize and Manage Pages, add another page, and I'm going to call this Pen and Ink with a K. Pen and Ink. Okay. Done editing. So now I can go to portfolios, my artwork, pen and ink, and here it is. Did you follow that? That was horrible. Okay, let's go back. So you get there. Here I am. I go to eportfolios, my artwork, pen and ink, and here I am. I'm in here. So I want to edit this page. Pen and ink. Nothing yet. What should I write? Stuff I drawed. Okay, now I'm going to add an image. So again, I add the image, choose the file, go up, here's that picture, open, and then select upload. Boom, there it is. Scroll down, save page. So there's a pen and ink drawing. Okay, so now if I go back here, I can go to charcoal, There's my charcoal drawing. There's my pen and ink. And I can just keep on editing this page and adding more and more files. So after I go through Photoshop or whatever, what's the free one that's like Photoshop? I can't think of the name of it. It has a little fox icon. Anyway, you can shrink an image down with just about anything. I think in your Microsoft tools on a PC or in Apple. I don't know how to use a piece of fruit as a computer. I don't know how that works. I don't have one. But anyway, you can change that image size to about 75 pixels in resolution. Then it will come up to about the right size, I would say. So we're just going to save that. And then that is it for this part. So now you want to add that to your person. You are a person and you want to add this to your person. So here's my artwork. All right. This is the web address. Okay. So this is what you want for this to show up in the other place. So that was a weird sentence. Sorry. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go to my account, and I'm going to go not to account, courses. Here we go. Then we're going to go to people. I'm going to wait for it to scroll up. Where am I? McFarland, Bob Roy, one each. Okay, so now I'm in my profile, all right, and I want to oh, that was good. Okay. So I searched around and searched around, couldn't remember where it was. Guess where it was? When in doubt, look at the screen. So here I am, here, edit profile. Oh boy. Add another link. So this is my website with the URL. This is my artwork page with blah, blah, blah. Add another URL. Okay. So I'm going to press Control V to paste. I'm going to call this, I don't remember what that was. I'm just going to call it my stuff. I can't remember for the life of me what that was. Brain fog. And then save profile. Oh, look, there's my stuff right there. If I go to my stuff, then look. There's charcoal. Da, da, da. But I sing to myself. Sorry, I don't mean to do that in your ear. But and there's my little guy. This is me as a cartoon, by the way. I don't know if you can tell. See the eyes? You can tell by the eyes. Although I don't have blue eyes. My eyes are hazel. But in the cartoon world, my eyes are blue. And I have hair, and I'm skinny, and I'm short, evidently. But anyway, so that's how you do it. Real easy, right? Isn't that easy? No, it's not easy. But I hope that you're able to see those things. So anyway, have a great day, and see you later. Bye.